That's why I wrote you a letter, cause you see I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Denise. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. So this is going to be a nighttime messy kitchen clean with me because y'all, my kitchen is a disaster. And it's because the last couple of days I have been suffering from some debilitating headaches, and all I could do was keep Lucas alive. I fed him, I played with him, and I hope and pray that he learned something in the process. But other than that, I didn't do nothing. So when you see my kitchen, don't judge me. Silently judge me. Don't come for me in the comments, because I do not live like this. It was just one of those days, you know. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all what the kitchen looking like, and then I'm gonna say something else, and then we're gonna get into the video. Hold on one second. Okay, so this is what the kitchen is looking like right now. Yeah, so it's a mess. Yeah, I just don't know what happened, guys. Like I said, I was sick. I was in a bad way. And yeah, I got my work cut out for me. But yeah, it'll get handled. Oh yeah, there's some dishes in the sink. Get a little closer for you. It's a little gross. Oh, I'm so ashamed. Hashtag ashamed. But yeah, so that's what the kitchen is looking like. And y'all know I don't really talk a whole lot through my videos. I just clean. Y'all watch me clean with me. Do whatever you want. If I do use a new product, I will come on and I'll talk about it, or maybe I'll just display it for you. Let's get into the video. But if you do want me to do a little bit more chatting in the video, please don't hesitate to leave that in the comments. I'll do whatever you like, within reason. Anyway, let's get into the video.
A drum machine, a rose within a gun, and a velvet dream. The heart of a soul, babe, cannot be beaten any louder. Oh yeah, that part of me is never ever free. The world is also, babe, you know it keeps my back out harder. I'll do it on and on forever, baby. I can be your dancer in the dark. No, I won't kiss and tell. We'll never ever end. Yeah, I'll be your dancer in the dark. I'll stay invisible forever, high on love. Oh no, we won't make it into any love song. No Romeo, no Juliet, but baby, we were meant to be the dancers in the dark. No, we don't kiss and tell. We'll never ever end. We play our favorite game. We ride until we die, and we got no shame. All high on shadow play, with fire in the sky, we will never change. The heart of a soul, babe, cannot be beaten any louder. Oh yeah, that part of me is never ever free. The world is also, babe, you know it keeps my back out harder. I'll do it on and on forever, baby. I can be your dancer in the dark. I know you have questions, I don't have answers. Clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure. 'Cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try. You find it nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard. Tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive. I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can't take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know, I know, I know, I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you. I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you. He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the bottom ship. So come to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know, I know, I know, I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you. I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you. I can still remember the first time that we kissed, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to that place? 'Cause I never wanted you to leave. Looking back on our past, I don't wanna be just another memory. I don't wanna forget, no. And I don't wanna do what's wrong. Yeah, I don't want no other. 'Cause it's with you that I belong. But at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to the place? I never wanted you to leave. she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
Alright guys, so I finished. So I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, or at least consider doing so, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.